In this video, you will learn how I was able to make $250 a day, every single day, simply for sharing the website with people. My name is Alex, so let me show you income proof that the system that I'm using just paid me $250 in instant commissions directly to my bank account. So here, as you can see, I got a notification from this person sending me $250 directly to my bank account, leveraging the system. So let's refresh the screen. So here's the income proof from the system that I'm using, the $250 a day system. Here's income proof of someone sending me $250 directly to my bank account. Let's go over here. Now, the system was called the Fearless Mama system. So every time someone purchases the Fearless Mama system from your link, you will get an email notification from Fearless Mama that says, congratulations, you just made $250 for referring someone as a new customer into the Fearless Mama instant payday system. So here's income proof again, showing you guys that every time someone buys Fearless Mama system or every time you generate a new customer, Fearless Mama is going to pay you instant $250 commission. And all I'm simply doing, guys, is sharing this website, right? Look at this website. All I'm simply doing is sharing this website with people online, on Facebook, on Craigslist, on YouTube, different places where I copy and paste this website link and place it on the internet. Now, the Fearless Mama system, right? So all I'm simply doing, like I said before, is sharing this website, right? Sharing this website with people. Then this is the back office of the Fearless Mama system. So all you simply have to do is, right, invest in yourself and look at all these digital products, right? And all I'm simply doing is watching these videos, applying what they talk about inside the training videos, and taking action every single day. And as you can see, instant $250 commissions, leveraging the Fearless Mama system. And all I'm simply doing is sharing this website with people, right? So all you simply do is come to your back office. They talk all about, Craigslist marketing, consistency, how to build an email list, how to get your mindset focused, a community of people winning. As you can see, there are other people winning inside this group. And this training is mastermind training, right? The people that put this together make more than $1 million every single year, leveraging direct sales, affiliate-based marketing. So I'm going to follow these people and listen to what they say, because if they're making millions of dollars a year with email marketing and affiliate-based marketing, they have to be doing something right. So if you guys want to make money online with affiliate-based marketing, focus on these videos, watch these videos from start to finish, take action every single day, and simply share the Fearless Mama system. So here's the back office. You get these special bonuses right here that are included for joining the Fearless Mama system. This is where this is your back office where you set up your payment method and like this. Now, when you guys join my Fearless Mama team, I have some bonuses for you guys for joining my Fearless Mama team. Bonuses include my Craigslist paid ad course. I'm going to show you guys how to do paid ads on Craigslist to generate leads and sales every single day for the Fearless Mama system. I'm going to show you guys some offline marketing tactics that you guys can use. All you simply have to do is go purchase 250 business cards for $10 and put your Fearless Mama link on the business card. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. I'm also going to show you guys as bonuses how to market and advertise your Fearless Mama link on your Facebook profile, and more bonuses included inside my Fearless Mama product, my Fearless Mama bonuses for joining my Fearless Mama team. If you guys want to join my team and get access to these bonuses, there will be a website below. Simply go to this website, put in your name, right? Just go through the system, right? Because I want you to understand what the system looks like and how the system works. So then when you go and market and advertise your website, you understand how it works. You follow the training inside of Fearless Mama, you stay consistent, and you get my bonuses, and I'll help you make $250 to $500 every single day, or every single week, or every single month, leveraging the Fearless Mama system and getting started today. So click the link below, get started today, and get access to my bonuses. Catch you guys later. Let's get this money. Peace.